masculinity, his role, especially as like a very traditional man. Like I do think it's a lack of confidence that's linked to maybe like the financial thing. Like he tries his best, but that's not going to pay the bills, because like all the debts I still have. Like I'm still trying to like
pay the wedding,
get out the trenches. Like the loan for that car. Because, like, even for this job, like, we had to get a car just so he could have a job, get the job. Yeah. So already that was an expense from day one. So right before the wedding, I had to take out, like, a personal loan to aid in the wedding costs. So even though the agreement for not paying the lobola was for Sihle to, like, then pay for the wedding, I also, like, had to help him, and that's where the loan went. Like, there wasn't enough for him alone to cover the wedding.
Where does the thought of you asking him to quit his job come from?
It's like been 4 years now, but it's been something like I've been thinking about. So I just feel like I've given him enough time, and that's another reason why I'm scared of having this conversation with him, because every time I've brought it up with him, I think he gets like defensive. Then he wants to feel supported. Like he views it like I'm not supporting him. He wants more time. He wants a chance. And I feel like I've done that. So like even though we have those conversations, he
does have like that pride where I think he thinks it will get better. Yeah. Like just give it like another month or another year. Yeah.
I've brought this up with him a few times and it didn't go well. Shame. The one time he even said like, I must just support him. Please believe in me and support me. And I said I wouldn't do it again, but here I am. I at least want him to step up. Also with that, sis, I also want to tell you, like, you need to take risks. Like, try a Xhosa man.
Hey, my friends. So in the recent episode of The City Wives, Anika has shared a conversation between her and her sister. Bekhuluma ngomshado wakhe. So Anika was raising situations zokuthi wayekisa uSihle umsebenzi firstly, and then manje she's paying for everything. She is the financial provider in the relationship. In the past week, Anika was trending on social media. A trendy sayile video yakhe posted on her TikTok esho ukuthi abafazi vele manje siya provide vele yithi siza nemali kuma relationship. So yena akazi ukuthi abafazini bangaza yini. That was last week. But manje kule viki la this week la ngo-Anika phela ku-reality show sekasho na the way abhadale ngakhona umshado, the way asize ngakhona uSihle ngisho nangelobola, imoto uSihle agibelayo yena uyayibhadala, like, and she's complaining to her sister about the matter. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think about this?